Good morning, children. Welcome back to our max session part 14. We are continuing our lesson number 6, fun with give and take. So we are doing our workbook now. Already we have completed up to question number 4 yesterday. Now it is question number 5 on page number 53 of your workbook. So please take out your workbook, page number 53. You can see here letter delivery. Please take out your workbook as well as pencil with you. We have to do the calculations. So along with the video you have to do in your book. All of you please ready with your workbook as well as a pencil and a eraser. Now let us move on to the question. Letter delivery. 5. It is question number 5 on page number 53 in your workbook. Postman uncle is ill today. He wrote some numbers on the right hand side corner of the letter and told Mohan to deliver the letter to the room number by adding in order letter number with the post office code, that is 245. IE means I dot E dot means that is. Okay. It is the short form of that is. IE is the short form of that is. Help him in doing that so that Mohan could deliver the letter correctly. One has been done for you. So here postman uncle delivers letters to everyone in the society. So the postman uncle became ill today. So as he is ill, he cannot deliver the letters. He cannot give the letters to the person concerned. So he wrote some numbers on the right hand side corner of the letter. So see here in the next page you can see he had written some numbers on the right hand side. These are the numbers. This is the right hand corner. So you can see some numbers are being written on the corner. Here 30, here 15, like that. So the postman uncle had written some numbers on the right hand side corner of the letter and told Mohan to deliver the letter to the room number by adding in order letter number with the post office code, that is 245. So as postman uncle is ill, he told Mohan to deliver the letters. But Mohan don't know the room numbers. So in order to find out the room numbers, what did the postman uncle told to Mohan? Postman uncle told that a number has been written on the corner, right hand corner of the letters, and the post office code is 245. So what Mohan have to do? Mohan have to add the post office code number with the number written on the letter. That means we have to add 245 with the number given on the letter on the right hand top corner, so that after adding he will get a number as the answer. That answer is the room number. Okay, after adding 245 with the number on the letter, you will get a answer, and that answer is the room number. So that answer, from that answer you can find out the room number to which the letter belongs to, or to which that letter should be delivered. Okay, so we have to do, help him in doing that so that Mohan could deliver the letter correctly. So what we have to do is we have to help Mohan in finding out the room numbers. So how room number can be found out? It is by adding the post office code with the number given on the right hand top corner of the letter. Okay, so what is the post office code? The post office code is 245, and the number is written on each letter. Different numbers are written on each letter. We have to add this 245 with that number so that we can help Mohan to find out the letters. Find out the room numbers. Okay, see here, one has been done for you. So first question you can see here, question number A, 245. This is the number written by the post office uncle. 30 is written here. So 245 is the postal fees code. So post office code plus 30, that is 245 plus 30. How much we will get? 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 3 is 7, and 2 nothing to add, so write 2 downwards or bring the 2 down. So the answer what we got is 275. So what is the room number? The room number is 275. So this letter should be delivered to room number 275. This letter belongs to the person who is residing in room number 275. So you understood, children, how to find out? So let us move on to the next question and we can help Mohan to deliver the letter correctly. So let us start. Look at the next one. This is the letter. Which number is written on the right hand top corner? You can see a number written here. Which is that number? The number is 15. So what we have to do? We have to add 15 with post office code. What is the post office code? Post office code is 245. So 245 plus 15. So add. Now you can write like this: 245 plus 15. This is a 2-digit number. Write properly as per the place value. 5 should be written in ones place and 1 should be written in tens place. Don't start writing from this side. So look clearly and write down properly. So let us add now. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 ones written here, 1 10 carried over to the tens place. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 you will get 6, and 2 nothing to add, so bring down 2 down. So what is the answer we got? We got the answer 260. So this letter belongs to which room number? This letter belongs to the person residing in room number 260. So we got the room number. So we got two room numbers. First one is 275. So this letter should be given in room number 275 and this letter should be delivered in room number 260. Now moving on to the next letter. Okay, we can see next letter here. So what is the number written on the right hand side of the letter? It is 48. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to add this 48 with postal code. What is the post office code? 245. So let us add. So write properly: 245 plus 48. 8 plus 5. How much is 8 plus 5? 8 plus 5 is 13. That means 3 ones and 1 tens. 3 ones right here, 3, and 1 tens will be carried over to the tens place. Now add. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 bring down 9 downwards as nothing is there. So what is the room number? We got 293. So this letter belongs to room number 293. Likewise, let us do the next question. So what is the number given on the next card or next letter? It is 35. So add with postal code. Postal fees code is 245. 245 plus 35. So 5 plus 5, 10. Write 0 here. 1 will be carried over. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 2 nothing is to be added. So bring down 2. So what is the answer? 280. So this letter belongs to which room number? Room number 280. Now we can move on to the next letter. Next letter number given is 25. The postman uncle has written the number 25 here. So we have to add with 245. 245 plus 25. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carried over. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 2 nothing to add. So bring down 2. Answer is 270. So this letter belongs to which room number? This letter belongs to room number 270. Now moving on to the next question. 245 plus the number given here is 19. So write 19, add 245 with 19. 9 plus 5. How much is 9 plus 5? 9 plus 5 is 14. So write 4 here. 1 carried over to the tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 will give you 6. And 2 nothing to be added here. So what we have to do? We have to bring down the 2 here. So what we got? We got the answer 264. So write here 264, and this letter belong to room number 264. Now next question, the room number we have to find out, and the number written by the postman uncle here is 17. So write 245 plus 17. So 5 plus 7, how much is 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7 is 12. So write 2 here, 1 will carry it over to the tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 2 bring downwards because nothing is there to add. So what we got? We got 262. So this letter belongs to room number 62. Now next question is 245 plus the number given here is 18. So add 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 will be carried forward. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 2 nothing to add, so bring down 2 downwards. So we got the answer 263. So this letter belongs to which room number? 263. Now moving on to the next, what is the number written by postman uncle over here? So it is 46. And what is the postal code? Postal code is 245. The post office code is 245. So we can add 245 plus 46. Okay. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Write 1 here, and 1 is carry forward. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 2 plus nothing is there, so bring down 2. You will get the answer 291. This 291 should be written here. I had forgotten to write over here. So please write this 291 in this space provided here in the room number. So we have got all the room numbers. So let us check how many room numbers are there. First room number, first letter should be delivered in room number 275. Second letter should be delivered in room number 260. Third letter in room number 293. Fourth letter belongs to room number which room? It is 280. And what is the next room number? Next room number given here is, we found out, is 270. And the next one is 264. Next is 262. And 263 is the next one, and the last one is 291. Total there are 9 letters, and we helped Mohan to get the room number. So now Mohan can easily deliver the letters. Okay, so how we found out the room number? We found out the room number by adding the postal code with the number written by the postman uncle on the right hand side corner of the letter. Okay, so we got all the numbers. So Mohan can deliver the letters easily. Okay, I hope you have understood all this. Copy this in your workbook. Try to do by yourself. Write the question, do the addition by yourself. Don't copy the answer from the video as it is. Try to do the questions by yourself, then only you can do by yourself. If you copy it, you cannot do anything. It will be difficult for you. So try to do the questions by yourself and check the answers from here. Okay, so I hope you have done the homework which is given yesterday. I have given you a homework to solve the following question number 2. Those who not done, do it, complete it by yourself. Okay, so let us wind up the session for today. Tomorrow we can continue the lesson. Continue the missing numbers, question number 6 in the workbook. Till then, bye.